guys, welcome back. Today I am going to be reviewing the Slutbox. I know I promised you that December was going to be my last one, but due to some mix-up, I got January, so I will be reviewing it today. And I know I've been kind of MIA with a couple of videos last week, been a little sick, so hopefully I can make up for it this week. All right. Ooh, salty. What is in here? That's what it says. It says salty. Go ahead and pick it up. I don't want confetti everywhere, so it says a little salty. Alright, let's see how. I smell something in here. I don't know what that is. Okay, that's just that. I'm going to go ahead and pull everything out. What in the world? Not pot. Chill. I don't know. We'll see what that is in a minute. Go ahead and pull everything out. Anything else we got in here? Oh, there's something. A couple of things in here. Didn't we already get this? Came in here again. Smells like some like lavenderish rose, something like that. Something floral. That's what I'm smelling over here. Close. Okay. Let's see, what all do we have today? What is this? It feels like, oh, it's condoms. Okay. It feels like kind of condoms with lube in it. That's what it feels like. Because I can feel the condom in this one, but it feels like lube on this one. So let's see what it is. One lubricated ultra thin condom with 2 millimeter. Okay, so I am right. It has condom and lube. Huh, interesting. Gotta stay safe, guys. Ooh, and my favorite, coupons. Alright, so what kind is it? It's the one ultra fill. Ooh. I like the little case it comes in though. So that's one thing. Looks like we got some more blush for a dewy gel blush stick. Let's see what color it is. Because I think the last stick that I got, I don't remember what month it was, but it was too bright for me. Yeah, there's this color too. It would be nice to have it where you can pick out, if you know, depending on your complexion, to kind of match you a little bit better. Just a suggestion, Amber. All right. Ooh, another a turmeric cucumber peel off mask. Curcuma longa. I'm reading the ingredients, by the way. Curcuma longa. Okay, I cannot pronounce any of these words. I see aloe vera and pea green. That's probably, oh, I see cucumber and aqua in there. Other than that, kind of the words are over my head, except for I do see gum. Let's see. I like to smell things. Let me see how it smells. I don't think this is what I'm smelling though. Ooh. It smells cucumbery. I like the way that smells. Alright, so yeah, I definitely smell the cucumber. I do not smell the turmeric, fortunately. Alright, let's see what this are. I see it's gummies, but what kind of gummies is it? What kind? One gummy per day and give yourself a hug. So I'm guessing, oh, it is CBD. So it is some CBD gummies. Got some nice amounts here. How much does it have? 10 calories. Now I got to calculate into my daily caloric count. I guess I got to walk for 10 minutes to burn these off. Unless I eat it all at once, which is possible. Especially if they taste good. So it has 10 calories, 3 carbs, 3 sugars, and it says hemp extract of 10 milligrams. So I'm guessing that's 10 grams of, or milligrams of CBD in them. I'm going to try them. Okay. Okay, there it goes. I'm like, this might be jazz proof, not just child proof. You ever had that happen to you? Maybe it's just me. Can't really place the smell. It's not kind of fruity, but not really. The taste isn't too bad, but I do taste the CBD-ness, like the kind of the medicine taste to it, mixed with a little bit of fruity. Probably be the best way to describe it. Well, now I can just be relaxed for the rest of the video. All right. For all the salty people out there. Let's see. It's Lux bath salts. Hold on. Isn't that something that everybody was worried about before? No. I don't know. So you're going to dissolve 2 ounces of natural bath salts into warm bath. Soak in bath for a relaxing therapeutic spa experience. Has Dead Sea salt, Epsom salt. How do you know the difference between the two? I guess the little micro sands in there is the Epsom salt. I don't know. Has vitamin E, aloe, dry herbs, flowers, and essential oils. What kind of essential oils? Can we be a little bit more specific here, please? Maybe it's just me. I mean, I gotta give you all the facts, right? I can't just leave it blanket and say it's essential oils, because you're like, well, there's a plethora of those. I used a big word there. Ah, that's what I'm smelling when I open the box. I've been smelling this, which is the rose. Hey. You're going to leave in the middle of the video like that? That's kind of rude. People want to see you too, Monger. I guess my video's taking too long for him. Especially since there's nothing in here for him to play with. And we've got some new lip gloss called 4. And I'm guessing it's because it has 4 ingredients, which is coconut oil, beeswax, jojoba oil, or jojoba, as some people I've seen pronounced like that, and peppermint oil. Is that it? Yep, 4 ingredients. Except for they use big words like cocos nucifera oil and beeswax cement. Yeah, I'm not even going to try and butcher that anymore. Ooh, smells good. Pucker up. All right, and more pasties. Amber, can we get a little bit more variety other than makeup and pasties? Please. Sorry. Just a tidbit. I'm pretty sure. Because I've actually talked to a couple of people through Instagram and some comments here and there on my page, and they're kind of complaining. They want a little bit more variety. So, just a little tidbit. All right, so we do have the surprise pasties. Oh, cool. They have different shapes like butterflies. That's cute. Let's see. We've got our gummies. Oh, they're vegan. I didn't know that because I didn't see that on there. Where does it say vegan on here? Oh, right there it says vegan. Maybe if I would have paid more attention. We're going to be chill. It says NP. Self. Legal. Well, let's hope they're legal. All right, let's see. What else is it? Make sure we got everything. We've got a guide to play. Where is that at? Oh, maybe this is it? Ah. It is a guide for anal play. Hey, to each their own. Hey, I mean, if you got questions, you know, this may be something you need. Hopefully you got it in your slutbox. All right, so we did get our 4. We've got our 2-in-1, which I like that idea, the 2-in-1. So, I mean, you just carry one little packet and you got everything you need. We've got our gel brush stick thingy. And then we've got our turmeric. We've got our saltiness. Subscribe to salty. All right, so we're going to go ahead and go into the horoscope. Let's go ahead and look at the horoscopes. I am a Capricorn. I'm a December Capricorn, though. So we're going to go ahead and read that. First of all, happy birthday to the January Capricorns. Although I'm Pretty sure it's already passed. Now we're into Aquariuses. But anyways, nobody really cares about Aquariuses. I'm just joking. I'm just joking. I love all the spectrum of horoscopes, or zodiac, should I say. All right, so the 10th is a powerful day for you. Well, wait, what's today? Okay, we've already passed the 10th. Was it a good day for me? Oh, no. Margaret, am I boring you? Because you're just walking away from me. Okay, let me hurry up and read because Monger's getting impatient here. All right. So happy birthday to the January Caps. The 10th is a powerful day for you, astrologically speaking. For luminars align with your sun and lend structures and meaning to your day. Jupiter at the top of your chart will shine a light on your social status. January is also about balance, babe. Keep dark thoughts at bay. I already started doing that. It's a new year. Why bring negativity into it? All right, just my 2 cents. If you're revenge hungry, just remember the golden rule. What energy you put out returns trifold. Well, fine then, Monger. Apparently I've been putting out negative vibes right now. All right. Send positive thoughts to others less fortunate, including your haters. Always got to show love to the haters. I mean, you know, they're fans. They're just envious fans, as I like to say. All right, and receptive to the positive energy that returns your way. Some of those positive vibes could even be in the form of dollar signs. Yes, please. All right, not a bad way to start off the new year, eh? I have to agree 100%. All right, I'm going to go ahead and put the other astrological, or excuse me, zodiac horoscopes up there so that way y'all can read your own. Anything else? Let's see. Nope, looks like that covers everything. All right, guys, if you have any questions, I'll be more than happy to answer them. Make sure that you subscribe. And in the meantime, stay tuned and stay jazzy. Thanks for watching, guys.